I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on WooCommerce is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your WooCommerce account. Start by logging into your WooCommerce account. Navigate to the WooCommerce website and enter your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. You can usually find this option in the top right corner under My Account. Step 3. Edit personal information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information. Here, you can update your name, email, and other details. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click it. Step 5. Verify updates. Finally, log out and log back in to verify that your changes have been saved correctly. This ensures everything is updated as intended. If you encounter any issues, double check that you click the Save Changes button. It's easy to miss. Happy updating!